Good morning, students. I hope you will be fine and you have done your all previous work, that is chapter 1 of English Reader and chapter 1 of Practice Book. Today we are starting a new chapter number 2 of Practice Book, that is determiners. Determiners are words which are used to identify or specify a noun. Example, a book, some pens, few glasses, the shop, etc. Here, the words we have used are some, few, the. These are determiners. Here are some examples of determiners like few, a few, little, neither, either, each, many, etc. These all are determiners. Let's start our work. First of all, we will do articles. Articles are also part of the determiners. Articles are in number 3, a, an or the. Articles are divided into two parts, that is definite and indefinite. A and an are indefinite article and the is definite article. We call them indefinite because we use them with indefinite articles and definite articles. We call them indefinite articles because we can use them with any singular countable noun. And definite article, the, we use it with particular things. Let's start. First of all, we know vowels are in 5, A, E, I, O, U. And rest, B, C, D, etc. They all are consonants. Vowels are in number in 5 and consonants are 21. We use with them a or an. With a we use a consonant and with vowel and vowel sound we use an. With vowel sound and vowels we use an, and with consonant sound we use a. But sometimes we use exceptional cases like an ayah, an honest man, an hour, an umbrella, a university. Here the word first is H. It is vowel sound. We use with vowel sound an ayah, an honest, an hour, an umbrella, a university. Now, first of all, we will learn about use of a or an. For single entity, like I have a bag, she has an apple. For certain quantities, she bought a dozen bananas. Here we used a for quantities. Next is for express profession and community. Like example is he is a doctor, he is an Indian. Next is before abbreviations like he is an MLA, he is a beard. Next is use of the before a noun when we want to make it particular. Example, the book you means here you have made your book which you want particular, so we have used the before it. Second is with a common noun when it represents a class. Example, the cow is a useful animal. Here cow represents a class means whole cows. Here not a single cow, all class of cows is a useful animal That's why we have used here the. Next is before an adjective when represents a class used as a noun. Example is the rich should help the poor. Here we have used the because the rich जो है rich person, it's not a single person, it belongs to a full caste. Full class means all rich people should help the poor, not a single man. Before a proper noun when it is qualified by an adjective. Example, the great emperor. Here noun is emperor and adjective is great. The great word is qualified the noun emperor. That's why before musical instrument, the flute, the piano, I like to play the flute. He is playing the piano. Before musical instrument we use the. Before superlatives degrees. Degrees are 3 in number: positive, comparative and superlative. Here before superlative degrees we use the. Like example is the most hardworking girl. Next is with ordinals. Ordinals are like first, second, fourth, ninth, etc. These are ordinals which are in order. The 9th chapter of the book is easy. Here before ordinal we have used the. Next is before repeated noun. Before repeated noun means when in one sentence or one paragraph if we are repeating a same noun, then first time we use a or an, second time we will use the. Example, my friend gave me a pen. The pen is beautiful. Here first time when noun came pen, then we have used a. Second time when pen has come, then we used the. Second is before the names of rivers like the Ganga, the Yamuna, before the mountains, the Himalaya, the Alps, before newspapers like the Tribune, the India, before holy books like the Gita, the Bible, well-known buildings like the Taj Mahal, the Red Forts, etc. So here we have learned about determiners, articles. Articles are part of the determiners. Articles are 3, A and the A we use before the vowel. A we will use before consonant sound and consonant, and we will use before the vowel and vowel sound. I hope you have understood this and now complete this exercise.